Now we're going to find the factors of a number. A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. Example, if I have 12, 6 is a factor of 12 because when I divide 12 by 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, and the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then 6 is a factor of 12. Now, let's find all the factors of 12. In finding the factor, a systematic way to do it is we always start with 1 and itself, and we apply the divisibility rule for the rest of the factors. So 1 times 12 is 12. Next number to 1 is 2. Let's check if 12 is divisible by 2. 12 is even because the last digit is 2. Now, 2 is a factor of 12. Let's find the other factor so that when you multiply by 2 will give you a product of 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 is the other factor. So that 6 times 2 is also 12. After 2, the next number is 3. But let's check if this is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits, 1 plus 2, is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 is one of the factors of 12. And the other factor, we just simply divide 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that 4 times 3 is also 12. The next higher number to 3 or than 3 is 4. But 4 is already here. So we stop. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4. We write it in ascending order. 6 and 12. These are all the factors of 12. Let's have another example. Let's find all the factors of 24. Again, we always start with 1 and itself. 1 times 24. Then let's check for 2. Since the number is even, because the last digit is 4, so it's divisible by 2. So we write 2 as one of the factors. And then the other factor, we divide 24 by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So therefore, we write 12 as one of the factors. So when you multiply 12 by 2 is also 24. Now let's check for 3. Is 3 a factor of 24? Let's check. Let's find the sum of the digits. What's 2 plus 4? That's 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. So 24 is divisible by 3. And what would be the other factor? So you divide 24 by 3. And the answer is 8. So you put 8. 8 times 3 is also 24. Now let's check for 4. Is 24 divisible by 4? If you divide 24 by 4, the answer is 6. So therefore, 4 is a factor of 24 and the other factor is 6. How about 5? Let's check the last digit. The last digit must be 0 or 5, so that's divisible by 5. So it's not divisible by 5 because the last digit is 4. Now we skip 5. Let's go to 6. 6 is already here, so we stop. So what are all the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24.